I don't know where I went wrong. I don't know where I went wrong. I don't. I really don't. I really don't. Because Gabriel Benjamin Agnell, he's mauling dogs and biting people. No. Gabriel, no. Gabriel. Gabriel, you cannot fight people. I don't know what I did wrong. No. I'm gonna have to put a muzzle on him and carry a stun gun with me everywhere. Because when my muzzle is out up and he can't defend himself, I'm gonna have to stun gun something. But yeah, he's biting people and dogs. Can't take him anywhere. I really can't take him anywhere. I can't. Careful, what you doing? Careful, why are you out like that? Why are you out like that for? I don't know why. So they can't say it's the owner, because trust me, he's well taken care of. He's so loved. He's so. I don't know what happened. He's bit like 3 people now. He mauled a dog. I gotta pay for all the hospital bills for the dog. I wouldn't say he's dangerous, but no, my dog bites. I don't know what to do. What? That's it? What the fuck, Gabriel? I don't know what's going on. Gabriel, what do you... You're supposed to try to play. What are you looking at, weirdo? Back up, dude. Are you ready? What are you doing? What are you crying for? We're not playing that way? Oh! Come here, Bubba. Come here, Bubba, come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ooh. Come here. Gabriel, come here. Gabriel, come here. Gabriel. Hey, Gabriel. Gabriel. Get over here. Gabriel, come here. Hi, Bubba. What are you growling at, boy? What are you growling at? I'm gonna figure out this thing. Do it. You're like, Gabriel, come here. Come here, Bubba. Come here. What you doing, Bubba? What you doing? Come here, Bubba. What you doing? Hi, Bubba. What you doing, huh? What you doing? Come here. Come here. Come here. It's just a rake, Gabriel. Get the damn ball. Funny. Too funny. Too funny. Too funny. If I can capture this. Oh, Bubba, go get it. Bubba, get it. Bubba, get it. Bubba, get it. Bubba, come on. What are you doing, weirdo? Get the ball. Get the ball. No, Bubba. All right. Get the ball. Bubba, get the ball. Dare him go. There you go, Bubba. Here, I got it. Kitty got it. Right there, boom. Boom. Where are you going with it, Bubba? Where are you going with it? Bubba, where are you going with it? Bubba, break. Yeah, Bubba. Come on, boy, come on. Oh! Bubba, break. 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 Gabriel, break. Break. Gabriel, break. I don't figure it out, dude. Figure it out. Figure it out. Figure it out. Figure it out. The TGO will eat you like this. I don't know why you... It's like having a kid that bites people. What the fuck did I do? I didn't do anything wrong. It's like having a little kid that bites people. You can't take them nowhere. No field trips, nothing. You can't. You just can't. He's self-loved and positive reinforcement. But again, he bites people and he attacks all animals. All animals. That ball's up. Baba! What you doing, Baba? Come here. Yay! Come here. Gabriel! Gabriel! Come here. Hey, come here. Gabriel, come here. You listen, so. Vicky, what are you getting all hervy with her? I don't know. I don't know. I'm learning, though.